Effortless style isn't about buying more clothes, it's about having the right ones. Here's how I turned 6 rental pieces from Nuuly into wearable outfits using nothing but what's already in my closet. Every month when my Nuuly box shows up, I feel this mixture of childlike excitement and possibility. It's not just about the clothes, it's about who I get to be this month. Try some different, maybe parts of myself on. This month, I chose pieces that push me just a little bit, new silhouettes, maybe some playful pieces, some new types of materials and textures. And at this stage in life, reinvention isn't just allowed, it can be really powerful. So, are you ready? So am I. Let's dive in. If we've not met before, my name is Tina Schwan, and I'm a personal stylist and online style educator and course creator for women. And as such, I empower ambitious women to show up, speak up, and shine through the transformative power of personal style. And when I teach about style, whether it's in my one-on-one styling sessions with my in-person clients or in my courses, I always come back to simple outfit formulas. It's not about trends. It's not about rules. Real life formulas are really about freedom. They're the scaffolding that holds your confidence up, even when mornings can get chaotic. So in midlife, maybe your body has shifted. Mine certainly has. And maybe your priorities have changed. Same thing here. And the old formulas just kind of stopped working. So that's why I really love building new ones, simple, current, and sustainable. All right, my friend, let's take a look at everything we have here. I've mixed my Nuuly items with some items from my own wardrobe. So here we go. Got 2 pair of casual pants from Nuuly, a pair of leopard jeans, and I'll put all the details down in the description below of these items, and also a pair of striped brown and ivory striped casual pants. I have a cute novelty sweater with a puppy dog that looks just like mine. And then I have a multi-stripe, really loose. It's more like a really light sweater. This is the front, this is the back of that. And I'll put, like I said, the details in the description below. And a couple of fur jackets. They're really trendy right now. And I wasn't ready to invest in fur jackets. So I thought, well, I'll rent them from Nuuly. So I have this cute one. It's got a little pink tinge to it with the ivory, and then this longer one. And then from my own closet to round out our capsule wardrobe that I'll be wearing probably the majority of this month are a couple of pair of dressier pants. So I have a metallic pair over here and then a pair of black wool pants here that are both wide leg. I added in just a graphic tee that I like to wear just for cash, and then kind of a fun embellished sweater that I bought it for holidays a couple years ago, and I love to wear it just, regular times. Why save it for the holidays? Wide leg jeans, dark wash, a leather blazer, which I thrifted, 2 belts, 2 handbags. I have this little Kate Spade one. That's a tiny little bag, cute. One is from Banana Republic, a nice slouchy suede bag. 3 pairs of basic shoes, black kitten heel booties that are suede, some casual Nike sneakers that are really more of an ivory than a white, and a pair of chunky heel nude suede pumps. Right. So let's get started. Let's make some outfits. Outfit number 1 is the storybook sweater plus wide leg jeans, and Ivory Nike puppy is optional on this one. You can front tuck or half tuck the sweater, and this is your approachable everyday opener. Outfit number 2 is an elevated version of that. We've got the same sweater with black wool trousers and the suede boots. It's a totally different energy though. This is the perfect see how one piece changes type of moment. For the third outfit, we've got the leopard print jeans with casual sneakers and a black leather blazer, and then I put the graphic tee. You could put just a casual tank or
a plain tee underneath this as well for a really cute look. And then we have the fourth look is again our leopard print jeans with a pump. We've got the fancy sweater and then the nice fur coat. So that is a nice elevated way to wear those jeans. For the fifth one, we have our dual striped shirt / light sweater, wool pants, and then the suede boot. And I've belted the waist on the sweater. You could do a tuck. I felt a little too packed in that way. On this one, this is the same sweater with your leopard pants and then the furry white jacket with the pink underlay of it, and then the suede boots. So I think of that jacket almost like wearing a jean jacket, but really luxe way to do that. Next up is kind of badass casual outfit. You've got your leather jacket and the graphic tee along with the striped pant and then some leather booties. Super cute. Then we have those same striped pants with a pump. I've got the embellished sweater. There's little feathers on there, a little bit of rhinestone, and then pair it with the slouchy bag for again an elevated casual look. And then we're going to go full glam with the metallic pant, the suede pumps, and the sweater, as well as that fur over the top. It's super cute. Yes, add that little glam bag with it. Have the striped pants, so we're mixing stripes here. Striped pants are a vertical stripe. The sweater is horizontal stripes, 2 stripes, plus our leather jacket and our slouchy bag and Nike sneakers.
Right. It's so much fun. And I want to talk just a little bit about Nuuly. I love doing a rental program. I also love thrifting. I love sustainable ways to just augment my wardrobe that I already have worked really hard to curate. So I'll have my Nuuly link down below, and it'll save you $30 on your first Nuuly order. And if this is speaking to you and your closet feels a little frustrating and not freedom, like, I want to invite you to check out my online course, The Confident Closet. It's all about creating clarity, confidence, and outfit ease in midlife. So that link is below as well. Well, I want you to remember this. This is kind of your takeaway. Style is a form of self-respect. You don't need an entirely new wardrobe. You need to just start with the right formulas, super simple, real style for real life, and then you'll have the confidence to start. Even one piece can make a huge difference. I mean, look at this little puppy dog sweater. It's so fun, and it looks just like my real life dog. So I thought I could have a little bit of fun with that, and it can shift the energy in midwinter when things are getting a little drab around here. This video helped you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that alarm bell, and let me know in the comments which formula you're excited to try first. And if you're ready to clear the chaos in your own closet, join me in the Confident Closet. I made it for women exactly like you. So that link will be down below as well.